Today, I am reviewing the Medify MA-40 Air Purifier. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Finding an air purifier that actually makes a difference in a large living space can often feel like an exercise in frustration, but the Medify Air MA-40 stands out as a serious, professional-grade solution for anyone concerned about the air they breathe. After running this unit continuously in various environments, from a high-traffic living room to a home office, it is clear that this is not just another glorified fan. This is a robust filtration machine designed for those who need high-performance air cleaning without the complexity or the noise often associated with industrial units. The most immediate impact you notice is the speed at which it cycles the air. With a coverage rating of nearly 1,800 square feet in a single hour, it tackles large, open-concept floor plans with surprising efficiency. In a standard 800-square-foot apartment, it can refresh the entire volume of air every 30 minutes. This high clean air delivery rate of 406 means you aren't just cleaning the air near the machine, you're creating a genuine flow of purified air throughout the entire room. For anyone living in areas prone to seasonal wildfires or high pollen counts, the ability to rapidly scrub the air of smoke and allergens is a necessity rather than a luxury. The core of the MA-40's excellence lies in the H13 true HEPA filter. While many consumer purifiers use lower-grade H11 filters that only capture particles down to 0.3 microns, Medify has opted for a medical-grade standard that removes 99.9% of particles down to 0.1 microns. This may sound like a small technical distinction, but it is massive when you consider it covers everything from pet dander and dust to much finer contaminants like smog, smoke, and even certain viruses or bacteria. When you walk into a room where the MA-40 has been running, the air feels noticeably lighter and crisper. There is a total absence of those lingering odors from cooking or pets that typically hang in the air, thanks to the integrated carbon layer that handles volatile organic compounds and smells with ease. In terms of daily operation, the user interface is sleek and incredibly responsive. The glass touch panel on the top of the unit is intuitive, allowing you to cycle through 3 fan speeds or set a timer for up to 8 hours. One feature that deserves particular praise is the sleep mode. For light sleepers, the ability to completely dim the panel lights while the machine continues to run is a thoughtful touch. On its lowest setting, the noise level is 46 decibels, which is a gentle, soothing hum that acts more like a white noise machine than an appliance. Even on the higher settings, while the fan is certainly powerful, the sound is a consistent, smooth rush of air rather than a mechanical rattle or whine. Practicality is another area where the MA-40 excels. It includes a child lock, which is essential for households with curious toddlers or pets, preventing accidental setting changes. The filter replacement indicator takes the guesswork out of maintenance, and the filters themselves are rated for 3,000 hours of use. In a typical household, this equates to about 6 months of fresh air before you need to swap the cartridges. The fact that the unit is backed by a lifetime warranty provided you use genuine filters speaks volumes about the manufacturer's confidence in the build quality. The physical design is modern and unobtrusive. The white finish and tower shape allow it to blend into a corner or sit against a wall without drawing unnecessary attention to itself. It feels sturdy and well-constructed, with a weight that suggests high-quality internal components without being impossible to move from room to room if needed. Ultimately, the Medify MA-40 is a high-capacity, high-efficiency purifier that delivers on every promise. It provides peace of mind for families with allergies, pet owners dealing with constant dander, or anyone living in an urban environment where air quality is a constant concern. It is a powerful tool that transforms the atmosphere of a home, making it a healthier, more comfortable place to live. If you are looking for a reliable, quiet, and incredibly effective way to ensure your indoor air is as clean as possible, this unit is an investment that pays dividends in every breath you take.